Welcome back to our channel, The Crypto Society. Today, we're here to talk about the shift that could move crypto higher. Subscribe to our channel to never miss a crypto update. So without any further delay, let's get started, quickly. Bitcoin holds over $45,000 at the time of the press, and is trying to break out of the slight downtrend over the past week. Cryptocurrencies are consolidating near highs, as many negative headlines continue to be on the sidelines of buyers. On Wednesday, minutes from the Federal Open Market Committee, or FOMC, showed that the Federal Reserve is considering slowing the pace of asset purchases later this year. Concerns over the decline of the stimulus have caused stocks and commodities to retreat and weigh heavily on cryptocurrencies. News about hacking on Japan's liquid global exchange on Thursday also weakened the bullish sentiment of the crypto market. The total amount stolen has not yet been determined, but CoinDesk's Eliza Gakritzi reports that the value acquired with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Tron and other coins could exceed $90 million. BTC's ability to maintain a 200-day moving average will be the first domino to move towards the rally until the end of the year, Fundstrat wrote in a newsletter Wednesday. Fundstrat is bullish on cryptocurrencies and expects its short-term weakness to diminish as macro conditions continue to support assets that are considered at risk. We have noticed a mid-cycle trend in which active market participants are moving from BTC to ETH to other alternative coins. The cost of funding a long position in the Bitcoin perpetual swap market, a type of derivative in the cryptocurrency market similar to traditional market futures contracts, is compared to previous market rebounds. It remains low. When prices rise significantly, investors often start chasing long positions, which often leads to higher funding rates at the same time, writes Fundstrat. Based on the chart below, the funding rate is positive, but we can see that things aren't remotely overheated when juxtaposed with recent price behavior. So far this month, cryptocurrencies have been flying again, as investors' desire for high risk has pushed up prices. Lucas Enzendorfer-Conrad, Chief Product Officer of crypto exchange Bitpandas, emailed CoinDesk, "I am writing. However, Bitcoin has become a backseat as altcoin has outperformed in the last 2 weeks. According to CoinDesk price data, Cardano, XRP, and Dogecoin are fixed at gains above 40%, compared to nearly 7% gains on Bitcoin over the same period." Altcoins' outperformance may continue, especially given Ether's recent technological breakout compared to Bitcoin. An altcoin is considered to be at higher risk than BTC, and the rise in the ETH-BTC pair may reflect a greater desire for risk in the crypto market, Enzendorfer-Conrad wrote. Cardano short-term overbought. Cardano, ADA, has been billed as a third-generation blockchain, following Bitcoin and Ethereum as first and second generations respectively, and is approaching a record high of about $2.4, which reached May. ADA maintained support on a 200-day moving average and attracted strong purchasing power as cryptocurrency sales stabilized in June. Given the extremely overbought signals on the chart, the nearly 60% price increase over the past month seems to have been exhausted. Prices are expected to be above the $1.8 to $2 support zone, but withdrawals are expected in the short term. Ethereum staking. Ethereum miners could go out of business in 6 months as Ethereum's mainnet integrates with Beacon Chain's proof-of-stake system, co-founder and CEO of cryptocurrency staking service provider Staked, Tim Ogilvy, told CoinDesk. As previously reported by David Pan of CoinDesk, increased investment in Ethereum mining contrasts with some of crypto miners' bets on delays in upgrading to Ethereum's proof-of-stake system. "My gut is that they will probably run for 6 months, Ogilvy said, and they're going to shift their mining equipment to mine in other chains, so there's probably some ancillary work they can do. If you bet on ETH 2.0 via Staked, the nominal yield will be 6.8%, and Ogilvy estimates that the number will reach 8 to 9% when the merge is complete. He said such returns carry risks. The risk of betting now is illiquid until the transaction is valid on Ethereum 2.0, so there is an indefinite period called 12 to 18 months before you can use ETH, Ogilvy said. He also warned that the proof-of-stake model would significantly reduce the penalty when the validator node tried to trick the system or had a technical error. Forming a decentralized autonomous organization Polygon, the Ethereum scaling platform Polygon has said it will build a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, for the decentralized finance or DeFi sector. CoinDesk's Jamie Crawley reports. According to an email announcement on Thursday, Polygon's purpose is for DAOs to attract 100 million users and give the community a say in DeFi development. Given that projects such as Aave, Curve, and SushiSwap are already using Polygon as a scaling system, DAO formation is the next logical step to support collaboration between blockchain-based systems. Poly Network rewards as attackers hold $141 million hostages. Poly Network, a China-based blockchain protocol that lost more than $600 million when hacked earlier this month, sent an attacker a bounty of nearly $500,000 on Thursday. Some of the looted cryptocurrencies have been fully restored. However, the attackers do not appear to have yet provided the keys needed to unlock the remaining $141 million. Some users are panicking about the possibility of losing control of their assets. We want to minimize their impact, so restore your network and your assets securely as soon as possible is our #1 priority, Poly Network wrote in an email early Thursday. Custody firm Anchorage launches governance voting on DeFi giant Aave. Regulated cryptocurrency management company Anchorage offers blockchain governance voting services, starting with the DeFi platform Aave. Financial institutions and token holders can use Anchorage's governance portal to participate in on-chain governance decisions that are important to the Aave lending protocol. The two companies said Thursday that the system uses separate voting keys to keep digital assets safe. Price analysis. BTC USDT. Bitcoin has witnessed a fierce battle between bulls and bears over the past few days, near a 200-day simple moving average, $45,692. The bear fell below the 200-day SMA on August 17th, but failed to break the support of the 20-day moving average, $44,183. Aggressive buying at the 20-day EMA pushed prices back above the 200-day SMA on August 19th. A 20-day rise in the EMA and a relative strength index, or RSI, near the overbought area show that the bulls are in control. If the buyer keeps the price above $48,144, the BTC USDT pair can gain momentum and rise to $51,500, where the bear could once again make a firm resistance. If the bulls can prevent the subsequent decline above the 200-day SMA, it will show strength and increase the outlook for the continuation of the uptrend. A breakout of $51,500 could pave the way for a possible rise to $60,000. The bullish view will be void if the price falls below the breakout level of $45,451.67. ETH USDT. Ether fell from $3,335 on August the 16th, and bears tried to break below the $3,000 breakout level on August the 17th and 18th. Prices have fallen below this support, but bears have been unable to maintain low levels, indicating a strong buy by the bull. The ETH USDT pair rebounded from the 20-day EMA, $2,981, on August the 19th, suggesting that bulls are actively defending this support. Buyers try to push prices beyond the $3,335 overhead resistance. If they can manage it, the pair can start their journey towards $4,000. Contrary to this assumption, if the price drops from $3,335, the pair will fall again to $3,000 and could be consolidated for a few more days in this narrow range. Breaks and closings below $3,000 are the first signs that a bull is losing grip. The pair can then drop to a 50-day SMA of $2,311. ADA USDT. The bulls reversed the $1.94 level to support on August 17th and 18th. This attracted more buys, with the bulls surpassing Cardano ADA to today's all-time high of $2.47. The ADA USDT pair can rise to $2.73 and again face severe resistance from bears. If the bull goes through this resistance, the pair can reach a psychological barrier of $3. The trend favors the bulls, but the RSI near 80 shows that the rally is overexpanding in the short term. If the price drops below $2.47, the bear will try to pull the pair down to $2.20. Below this level, it indicates a weakening momentum in the short term. The pair can then drop to a 20-day EMA of $1.87. BNB USDT. Binance Coin, or BNB, fell at $433 from overhead resistance on August 17th. But the bulls did not allow prices to fall below the 20-day EMA of $384. The strong backlash from the 20-day EMA pushed the price above the solid resistance of $433. If the bulls keep prices above $433, the BNB USDT pair could start a northward march towards the $520 and then the $600. The rising moving average and the RSI in the overbought area indicate that the path with the least resistance is up. This bullish view is denied if prices fall below the 20-day EMA. As a result, it could fall to $340. XRP USDT. XRP surpassed the downtrend line of the down channel and the overhead resistance of $1.07 on August the 13th to complete the rounded bottom pattern. The bear tried to pull the price back below $1.07, but the bulls failed the attempt. A strong backlash from $1.07 on August the 18th shows that the bulls have successfully turned to support this level. The XRP USDT pair can rise to $1.70. This level can act as a solid resistance, but if the bulls overcome this hurdle, the pair could rise to $1.96. Alternatively, if the price drops below $1.35, the bear will try to reduce the pair to $1.07 and less than the 20-day EMA, $1.01. If they succeed, the pair can drop to a 200-day SMA of 84 cents. Such a move suggests that the trader has offloaded the position at a higher level. Doge USDT. Dogecoin, Doge, broke and closed above the 29 cents resistance on August the 14th. This paved the way for a rise to 35 cents. The bear mounted a solid resistance at this level on August the 16th, pulling the price back to the breakout level at 29 cents. The bulls successfully defended the August 21st breakout level at 29 cents, suggesting that sentiment is positive. If the buyer pushes the price above 35 cents, the Doge USDT pair may recover to the next overhead resistance at 45 cents. So, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel, The Crypto Society. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.